Hello guys, this is Kamarjit Singh MONGA, Managing Director and Study Visa Tours Visa Consultant from British Arts Institute, BAGHA. Okay, today we are going to focus on the types of families. Actually, this is become a very important topic because exam day during some time in the practice, students are going to focus on the types of families and they have to speak about the family type, but still don't know about the only two types of families, nuclear family and joint family. So today ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੀਆਂ ਫੈਮਲੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਐਂਡ ਕਿਸ ਕੈਟੇਗਰੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉਹ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ, ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਸਟਾਰਟ. The first of all, nuclear family. So nuclear family or conjugal family. So term nuclear family is commonly used especially in the United States of America to refer the conjugal families. A conjugal family include only the husband, the wife and unmarried children who are not of age. It means under the 18 years. So this is the simplest form and is formed by almost सब students aware नहीं. And next, matrifocal family. So this is a little bit different from other. A matrifocal family consists of mother and her children. Generally, these children are her biological offspring, although adoption of children is a practice in nearly every society. So अगर matrifocal family ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਨਲੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਦਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਸੋ ਮਦਰ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਬਾਇਓਲੋਜੀਕਲ ਆਫਸਪ੍ਰਿੰਗ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ. ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਅਡੋਪਟਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ, ਉਹਦੇ ਖੁਦ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ. This kind of family occur commonly where women have the resources to rear their children by themselves, or where men are more mobile than women. As a definition, a family or domestic group is a matrifocal when it is centered on a woman and her children. So especially matrifocal family ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਮਦਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਮੇਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਐਂਡ ਬੱਚੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਅਡੋਪਟਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਗੇ. Next ਹੈ extended family. Extended family, the term extended family is also common especially in the United States. This term has two distinct meanings. First, consanguineal, related by blood, and family second in a society dominated by the conjugal family. So this is approximately near about the conjugal family but little bit different and specially used by the term United States. Extended family. Next, a family of choice. So this is totally a different family of choice. Mostly the lesbians, we can say the society community, LGBT, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender. These are those people who are living together by their choice, not by the blood relation. So you can read here last line, the family of choice may or may not include some of or all of the members of the family of origin. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਮਦਰ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਫਾਦਰ ਹੈ, ਬ੍ਰਦਰ ਹੈ, ਸਿਸਟਰ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਬਾਈ ਚੋਇਸ ਵੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਕੈਨ ਪਲੇ ਦੇਅਰ role according to their quality. So this is a family of choice. Next, a blended family. The blended family or step family describe the families with the mixed parents or one or both parents remarried, bringing children of the former family into the new family. Suppose like as in India, अगर ਕਿਸੇ ਲੇਡੀ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਹਸਬੈਂਡ ਡੈਥ ਹੋ ਗਈ, ਉਹ ਰੀਮੈਰਿਜ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਉਸ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਅਗੇਨ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. ਸੋ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫੈਮਲੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉਹ ਮਿਕਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ. ਦੈਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਬਲੈਂਡਡ ਫੈਮਲੀ. ਸੋ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਹੈ ਮੋਨੋਗੈਮਸ ਫੈਮਲੀ. Monogamous family is based on the legal or socially monogamy. In this case, an individual has only one partner during their lifetime or at any one time, like as in India, Pakistan. This means that a person may not have several different legal spouses at the same time, and this is usually prohibited by bigamy laws. So India ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ one male can marry with one female, as you know. This is a monogamous family. Next, a polygamous family. This is a totally different from monogamous family. Polygamous is a marriage that includes more than two partners, which is not possible in India. When a man is married to more than one wife at a time, the relationship is called polygamy. And when a woman is married to more than one husband at a time, it's called a polyandry. So this is a situation ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਲ ਜਾਂ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੋਰ ਦੈਨ ਵਨ ਸਪਾਊਸ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਰਿਜ ਕਰਵਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. ਇਫ ਮੈਰਿਜ ਇਨਕਲੂਡਸ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਹਸਬੈਂਡਸ ਐਂਡ ਵਾਈਫਸ, ਇਟ ਕੈਨ ਬੀ ਕਾਲਡ polyamorous group or conjoint marriage. So these all are the types of families. Polygamous ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ more than one husband or more than one wife ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ. So that was all about the families, types of families, be aware. So students जिन्हें भी IELTS ਵਿੱਚ appear ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, they should know about the families, family time types. Sometimes they need to speak about all these family types. So I hope so ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ, and it is useful, I know very well. And try to learn all these types, and if you have any kind of queries, you can WhatsApp me and you can ask any kind of question. Thank you.